Hi there and welcome to the final video demo for the tactics tool. So in this demo we're going to look at the code that has been implemented since the last video demo, as well as having a quick look at the system as a overall. So the first thing we're going to look at is the shapes that have been added that can be used to analyze the video. So here we can see that if we hit the show red circle button, it now shows up on screen over the video, and if we play and then we mute, we can see that currently the video is in slow motion, and we can move the circle around the screen. And then if we want to move the video back to normal speed and maybe hide the red circle to watch a bit more, we can do that as well. So we're going to go into the code here and have a quick look at how this is done. So here we can see the red circle, which has been declared in SVG and set size and set to red. And then in our code we can see this is the function here that's being used to get the position of the red circle. So what this does is it takes the click axes by getting client X and client Y, and then we take 50 away from it to allow for the padding so as we can get the center of the circle. Then we have the translate 3D value. This is made up of the string that will be put into the style sheet, but now calls the values of RCX position and RCY position, which is the red circle X and red circle Y. And then we have the line here that will move it into the style sheet when the function is called. The next thing to look at that has been implemented since last time is that the videos are now stored in a database, which we can see here. So as we can see, this is now the database that our videos are stored in. So each video is going to have a video ID, a file name, which the user will be able to call it what it wants, so that it knows what's contained in that video. The club ID, so as it can link to whatever club the video belongs to, and the actual file name. So the user is going to be able to see this information through the club page. So as we can see, we have PHP here that then selects all from the club videos where the club video ID equals the ID. It's then stored in an array, and then we have a loop that will loop through each value and print that value to the screen. So let's have a wee quick look now at that. So if we just go into the club page, we can now see here the file names and the video ID number. So what this now allows us to do is, if we go back to our home screen and we want, say, video ID number 4 for example, we can now type in 4, and then we can either hit the select video button or just press enter, and that video now comes up. So again, if we play that video and we'll mute that, again we can then turn the red circle on, and as we can see, it works there as well. And again we can hide the red circle, and if we want to go back and have a look at the goal again, we can slow it right down to half pace, and maybe drop it down even that bit further, and then we can maybe pause here, and then we can get red circle up so we can emphasize what we're talking about. There's also code that has been created that would allow the user to add a new file. This is stored in the add video file. This should allow the user to add a video to the database using the form on the club page, but currently it does not actually populate the database, but I'll show you how the form would work anyway. So what would happen is the user could add the video name, so just video name, then they would add the club ID, say 1, and then the file name, so video name .mp4, and then when they add the video, that would be stored in the database and would then appear here, so they can use that video ID on the home page. So thanks again for watching.